So I have a new telescope to share today that I thought was really cool. I've had this for probably about a month, but having clear nights to actually be able to see the sky around where I live is very far in between. I was able to get a little bit of footage a couple nights ago when we actually had a clear sky, but we've only had a clear sky a couple times in the entire month. So it's really hard to do telescopes right now with this weather. But let me go ahead and show you a little bit of this telescope, some of the features, how it works, because it's pretty cool and it's pretty budget friendly and it works really well, especially for the price. Now there is a whole carry bag for this, but I have it inside somewhere, and you also have this little bag here that's going to store all your little pieces. So you got all your little eyepieces. We do have some other ones, like we have the Barlow lens 3 times, which is going to be able to amplify how far you can actually see or how close you can get to things. We do have another lens. So like right now we have the 10mm, which is going to give us the furthest, and we have a 25mm. And you can add that Barlow lens in between and amplify it 3 times further. We also got all the caps, and we got our end cap here. I just haven't been using it. The telescope legs are adjustable, and this is its highest height. You could also easily collapse it. So with this tray, you could easily twist it to lock and unlock, and then you can collapse your tripod. But this will keep it from moving. Now, as for the telescope itself, this is our eye or our sight piece. This is what you're going to use to be able to line it up a little bit easier, line it up with like the moon and stuff, and then you can use your eyepiece to look at it closer. As for adjusting the telescope, it's really easy. We got 2 different knobs to turn it both different ways. So this one here is going to allow you to angle it up and down, and you can move it very slow and precise, so you can get exactly where you want, like on the moon, a star, or whatever it is you're trying to look at. And then this one here will allow you to angle it left and right. And I have found that this is definitely a lot easier than an old telescope I had that didn't have this, that you had to manually adjust everything. And it was a lot harder to get it precise like you want. Also, there's a little knob here, and this is what you're going to use to do your focus. Now, what's also cool about this telescope is that it does come with a piece or attachment for your phone, so you could actually use your phone to view. You could take photos, you can take video. I used it the other night to look at the moon, and I can show you a little bit of footage as I'm getting this set up here, but it was pretty neat to be able to look. And I had the kids and everybody come out, and they had fun looking. It was a lot easier for them to just walk up to the phone, look at the screen, and I could just move things around and have it visible for everybody, which is pretty cool. All right, so right now we have that 10mm, like I mentioned, without the Barlow and stuff, so it's not going to be as close up. But you're just going to take your phone, and you just need to line it up with the camera. And personally, I find it easier to just adjust it on the camera itself or on the phone. But now we have a view. Of course, you need to focus it some. So from here, you can use the focus. Like I said, you can use that Barlow lens to get even closer. Hopefully the camera is picking this up. You can take photos. You can also go over and you can do video. So we could always record some video just so I could show it to you a little bit easier. You can do your focusing. Now with it moving around, it's definitely not going to focus as easily. So let's get your... Now I am moving it around a lot. Like I said, you can also very carefully use these knobs to adjust it. Now I would love to have a professional one day, but for the price and everything, this is awesome. The kids love it. And it was just really cool being able to look at the moon up close with it. And as soon as we have some more clear nights, we'll definitely do some more playing with it. I'm going to do the magnification thing, play with it some more, because I didn't use that with the moon. But if you're looking for a decent telescope that's budget friendly, I really like this one. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.